welcome to the day, students. This is Balakrishna Andana, Assistant Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering and Guntur Engineering College, Guntur. Today our lecture on broaching machines and their types. Mainly, broaching machines are classified into 6 types. What are they? In that, first one is a horizontal broaching machine, second one is a vertical pull type, and third one is a continuous broaching, and fourth one is a rotary table broaching machines, and fifth one is surface broaching machine, and sixth one is a keyway broaching machines. In this lecture, we will discuss on these 3 type of broaching machines: vertical and horizontal and continuous broaching machines. Remaining 3 are next lecture. So in the first one is a horizontal broaching machine. See that horizontal broaching machines. See the line diagram of horizontal line. So in horizontal broaching machines is used for surface broaching or internal broaching. The latter being most common in that the work is held in fixture. In the surface broaching, the tool is pulled over the surface, while for internal broaching, the broach is pulled through the work, that means through the hole. These machines are mostly pull type and can be operated at cutting speed of 3 to 15 meters per minimum. If in case this speed of return stroke means here non-cutting stroke, may be about 30 meters per minimum. In hydraulic horizontal machines has an infinitely variable range of cutting speeds with a return speed much greater than the cutting speed. The broach is pulled over the top surface of the workpiece held in a fixture. The hydraulic cylinder which pulls the broach is housed in the right end of the machine. So in the setup for internal broaching on horizontal pull type broaching machine, the cutting speed of this machine is about 60 meters per minimum and metal removal is up to 6.4 mm per stroke. Coming to the next one, vertical pull type. Vertical pull type is also known as vertical broaching machines. In that, it is used for surface broaching or internal broaching, the former being most common. It has a vertical slide to which the broach is attached, and the workpiece is held in a fixture on the table, and the broach tool is pulled vertically down against the stationary workpiece. And vertical broaching machines may be of the push down and pull down or pull up types, but the majority of the machines are of pull type. In case we can consider the push down broaching, the push down broaching machines of the holes previously drilled or punched or cast may be finished accurately, and it requires short broaches or sufficient cross section to prevent bending due to force imposed during the operation. In next one is continuous broaching machines. In continuous broaching machines, we can construct the one is a rotary table continuous broaching machines and horizontal continuous broaching machines. In here we can see the horizontal continuous broaching machines. In horizontal continuous broaching machines, the work is held in the fixtures which are mounted on an endless chain. The chain carries the work in a straight path under the stationary broach chain, and this is also used for surface broaching. And in continuous broachings, the broach is held stationary and while the work pieces are continuously passed under them. In that, one will be connected to the another will be connected to the one